Welcome to Lightning Tutorials Canva edition. These tutorials are short, sweet, and to the point, so let's jump right in. Canva allows you to employ graphic design across an array of templates, or you can design something from scratch. So you might use Canva to create videos or Instagram posts, t-shirts, business cards. There are hundreds of options to choose from. This series will use a newsletter template, but the design elements you'll learn here can apply to pretty much everything else on the site. So let's learn how to select a template, name the template, and share it with collaborators. So up at the top, you'll find templates. You have a lot of things to choose from, split up by category. We want to go to marketing and select newsletters. Okay, and you can see we have filters on the left side. So depending on what we want to do, we can select from here, we can select different styles, or we can just browse all of the templates that are available here. Now, I do want to point out, you'll notice some of these have a crown on it, and they are not accessible to us because you have to be a Canva Pro subscriber. This is the one that I want right here. Once you find something that you like, you'll click Customize this template. All right, before we forget, we want to rename this first and foremost, and this will be our practice newsletter. Now we're going to click this share button, and let's say you are designing this with other people. Well, if you're within an organization, if you're within a school, type that person's name in and select them from the list, or you can copy a link right here and provide them with that link. Now, notice this says share a link to edit, so if they get that link, they'll be able to change anything in this template. You can also provide them a link to use as a template, so they can do their own thing, you won't see it, or share a link to view. They can see what you're working on, they can't change it. So that is how you create a template, and that is how you share it with a potential collaborator.